Alright, today we're going to swap out ice makers. If you can't really tell, there's a icicle starting to form there. It leaks out the front, and then it sticks all our ice together down in the bottom down there in the drawer. So, and then it also hasn't been making ice very good here lately. So what we're going to do is just a simple repair. I've ordered a new ice maker for it, and we're going to install it today. Okay. All I'm going to do is take out the screws that's on it and then unplug the wire from the side of it there. This one actually has 3 on it. A lot of them have 2 or 3. That's all you got to look for is them screws. Alright. So we are going to unplug this wire. It's got one of them little catches on it. I'm going to have to undo this wiring harness here and hook it onto the new one. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, so what I've got is I've got this wiring harness here. I've got to take off of it, and I have to take off this bracket too, so that I can put it all back together, because it's already got these 2 screw holes here to mount up to it. So I'm going to switch that over, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but I got this wiring harness off. There's a little tab that's going to hold this in. You're going to have to get a little screwdriver to go down in there and maybe try to help you get it out of there. So here's my wiring harness to switch it over to my refrigerator. And here's the new ice maker. Now it goes right into the side of this, just like so. And you push that in. It snaps in place. And this will go hook back up there like that. Alright. Now we should be ready to put it into the... I put this bracket on there that wasn't on there. I took it off my old ice maker. So let's go install this new ice maker. Okay. So right back there is where I got to connect that wire up. Then I got my screws back up there so I can just hook this back up. Okay? Okay. There's something else I gotta do. I got to get that out of there. So that water, that's my little water spigot or spout there that goes into the back. It's blocking it off. I got to work on that, get that off of there. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, so I had to get my bracket put back on that wasn't on it when I bought it. And I put my wiring harness on it for the for my refrigerator, and I had to get the hole here knocked out for my refrigerator as well. So let's get it plugged in and install it. Okay, well, let's take the screw out for a second here. There. Alright. So just put one screw in, and then we can put the other one in. Yeah. Maybe not. Not that way anyway. Okay, well, that's up in there. And I think we got it installed. We'll just have to wait and see if it works now. I've got it all plugged in. I've got the 3 screws back in it. And it's all set up. So there's back there's where my screw's at for that one. I had to take that one out for sure and then put it in once I got it up in there. So I got one screw that kind of helped me line it up, and then I worked the other one in with my fingers and threaded it in by hand, and then I did it in the rest of the way with the nut driver. So I tightened up all the screws, put them all in after I plugged it all in. So down is supposed to be on, so the only thing I know is to wait and see if it works. Okay, 24 hours later and we have ice. So I guess the fix worked and we don't have an icicle.